The sun dipped low and the sky glowed orange as Bluey and her friends set up camp in the backyard. Bingo struggled with the tent poles, Coco gathered sticks for the fire, and Lucky carried blankets twice his size. Bluey clapped her paws. "Tonight is our camping adventure. No house, no lights, only stars." When the tent was finally standing, though a little crooked, everyone cheered. They piled inside with flashlights, giggling as shadows danced on the canvas walls. "It's like a secret fort," Coco whispered. Bluey grinned. "Even better, it's our home for the night." Outside, Snickers sparked the campfire with help from Dad. Flames flickered and crackled, sending sparks into the night sky. The pups gathered around, roasting marshmallows on sticks. Bluey held hers carefully, but it caught fire, and she yelped, waving it around. Everyone laughed until tears rolled down their cheeks. "Dragon marshmallow!" Lucky shouted. Then came the scary stories. Bingo's voice trembled as she told a tale about a ghostly howl in the forest. Just as she finished, a real owl hooted in the distance. All the pups screamed, then burst into laughter, cuddling closer to the fire. Bluey's heart raced with both fear and excitement. "Camping is the best," she declared. Later, lying in their sleeping bags, they peeked through the tent flap at the starry sky. It was quiet, except for crickets singing softly. Bluey whispered, "I feel like the whole world is ours tonight." Bingo nodded sleepily. "Yeah, just us and the stars." Before her eyes closed, Bluey looked your way. "Would you camp under the stars with us?" If you love nights full of laughter and adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe.